A 20-year-old British tourist has been arrested on suspicion of murder in Norway after a 28-year-old was stabbed to death in a dispute over fireworks. The Brit and a 23-year-old Norwegian have been remanded in police custody for 2 weeks pending a murder investigation. Both deny killing Kjetil Østhus. The alleged stabbing took place after the Brit argued with Østhus and his friends because they wanted to set off fireworks near his friend's car in Haugesund in southern Norway on New Year's Day. The Brit allegedly grabbed the fireworks from one of the Østhus friends and dropped them on the ground. The victim's friend went to pick up the fireworks, sparking an argument that ended in the 28-year-old getting stabbed. A preliminary autopsy carried out last week revealed that Østhus, who was one of 3 brothers and worked as a chef, was killed by a single blow from a sharp object, such as a knife. The Norwegian Court of Appeal believe the Briton inflicted the fatal wound, NRK reported, without elaborating. He was reportedly carrying several knives, among them a 10 to 15 centimeters long blade, though it was not clear if this was the weapon used to stab Østhus. NRK added the court said there was several pieces of evidence which suggested both of the suspects were active during the stabbing in Priest Haugesund, Haugesund. Police attorney Fredrik Martin Soma said the force would not comment on the investigation or possible charges but said both suspects had denied murder. They were remanded in custody in a prison by the Sør-Rogaland District Court, which banned them from sending or receiving letters or having visitors. An appeal against the restrictions was unsuccessful. The Brit's lawyer Helene Haugeland has claimed her client was not involved in the stabbing and did not know Østhus. She said, "I have no comments on the appeal ruling other than that my client has been informed about it. He has not changed his explanation." He has requested his release and has said he wants to return to the UK. The 23-year-old admitted being present when the murder took place, but his lawyer, Ben Einar Grindhaug, has claimed he was not responsible for the stabbing. Grindhaug said his client thought Østhus' death was tragic but that he thinks it is heavy to be blamed for murder. Østhus' family's lawyer Benedicte Storhaug described his death as meaningless and said they were unable to understand the motive behind his death. He said the parents wanted to thank their family and friends for their support since their son's death.